Hello everyone, good morning children. Today we go for our fourth lesson DRC, the land of dense forest. Our fourth lesson DRC, the land of dense forest. In this lesson we shall learn about Democratic Republic of Congo, Zaire, Democratic Republic of Congo, its climate, natural vegetation and wildlife, people and their way of living, industries and mineral resources, main cities, transport and communication system. These are the main topics in our lesson. Once again children, Democratic Republic of Congo, Zaire, that one. Its climate, natural vegetation and wildlife, people and their way of living, industries and mineral resources, main cities, transport and communication system. These are the main topics in our lesson. Next we go for new words. Okay. Equatorial, lighting, okapi, bonobo, complexion, pygmies, bantu, equatorial, lightning, okapi, bonobo, complexion, pygmies, bantu. These are the new words. Once again children, equatorial, lightning, okapi, bonobo, complexion, pygmies, bantu. Okay? Yes. We go for our lesson. The region between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. The region between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn experiences a hot and wet climate, throughout the year. Hot and wet climate throughout the year. This climate is called tropical climate. The sun rays fall directly up on the region, so the climate here is very hot and rains fall with thunder every afternoon. So in this area here what happened children? The sun rays fall directly upon this region. So the climate here is very hot and rains fall with thunder. Means urumulu merupulathoti every afternoon. It results in the great biodiversity in the region. The region has dense growth here. So here what they are growing means of bushes and trees. The forests are so thick. That light and air. The forest is thick. That light and Air hardly penetrate through the trees and bushes. Air hardly penetrate through the trees and bushes. Such forests are called tropical forests. Such forests are tropical forest or equatorial forest. Here what happened, children? The forests are so thick and light, so thick, children, there. Okay, and the air also it's very hardly penetrate through the trees and bushes. So why? Because of here plants nearby have children that trees that like forest, such type of forest we called here tropical forest or equatorial forest. So why we are saying that equatorial forest? Because of in this area in middle line, what is that? Equator. So this region is surrounded exactly on the equator. That's why here we are saying equatorial forest. That's why we are saying equatorial forest. Yes, I will show you. So here we find here see children, we find this equatorial forest in a large number in Amazon river basin of South America, the Congo river basin of Africa, and throughout much of the Southeast Asia. Much of the Southeast Asia. Yes, I will show it. So, for example, this is our old map, children, our world map. Here what here appearing in that green in color. Here what appearing in green in color. This area only have the tropical forest or equatorial forest. See here, children, in this country's middle line, let's go to the equator line. Is it or not? In the middle line, which line have, children? Equator line or not? See here in the total complete world map, here what appearing that green in color, some part of South America, some part of South Africa, and some part of North, Southeast. Okay, so these what here appearing that green in color, that area only we have the tropical forest. Okay, so and in the South America, the river basin of Amazon river basin of South America's surrounding area. Here basin means that river surrounding, children, and Congo river basin of Africa, and throughout much of Southeast Asia, Southeast Asia. So this part only have the tropical forest and means that this area is very hot and wet throughout the year, and here in that afternoon time this is that thunder with rainfall. Okay, so and here grows that big trees and bushes, and that air also it's moving very hardly, children, in this area because of nearby have the plants, trees, bushes have. So that's why that one also very difficult in this area. Okay, that's why here this one is we call the tropical forest. That's why here we call tropical forest or equatorial forest, because of in that this area moving on that equatorial line. Is it no? So that's why equatorial forest we call, children, here. Which one? That one? Equatorial forest. So here what here appearing that green color part, that part only we call that tropical forest. Okay, yeah. Next, the Democratic Republic of Congo. The Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay, yeah. Here, the Democratic Republic of Congo, or DRC, is located on the central side of South Africa. Yes, now only I will show it, children. Some part have in the South America and some part have the Africa. So what have in that Africa, that the tropical forest where have that area we called Democratic Republic of Congo. Democratic Republic of Congo, or DRC, is located on the central side of South Africa. It is the second largest country in Africa. This one is the second largest country in the Africa. It is situated in the largest country in, this is that it's situated in the tropical zone. It is situated in the tropical zone because of it directly receives the sun rays there from the sun. So that's why here what zone have, children? Tropical zone. The equator passes through the northern part of this country. So this country, the equator passes through the northern part. Okay, so it is surrounded by the Congo on the west, Central African Republic and Sudan on the north, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi and Tanzania on the east, and Zambia and Angola towards the south. So these two countries have the south side. So the country has very small coastline. This country have the small coastline, children. This country have the small coastline. So okay, first of all, which is the bordered by the Atlantic Ocean. This is the bordered by the Atlantic Ocean. So here what is that means? What is this map means, children? We have our Telangana map, no? Telangana map have and Indian map have. In India, Telangana is our state. So of course, in the world map, India is our country. Is it or not? In the total world map, India is our country. In India map, Telangana is our state. That like that, the same way in Africa, this one also one of the country, children. In world map in Asia continent, how like we have our India country, the same way in that Africa we have our one country, that one is Democratic Republic of Congo or DRC. Okay, this is the second largest country in the Africa. This is second largest country in the Africa. It is situated in that tropical zone. It's situated the tropical zone because of the equator passes through the north side of this country, children. So that's why this area is completely heat zone, tropical zone, because of this equator line receives that more heat, receives the sunrises directly from the sun. So that's why this area is tropical zone, means completely heat zone, children. Okay, so in this country surrounding some countries have. This country surroundings some countries have, and a little part of Arabian Ocean, little part of Atlantic Ocean also have, children. Little, this is the border, just a little bit border only have that Atlantic Ocean for this country. Okay, yes. I will show that big map, this one. Yeah, see children. This is the map of like our country, but it's not our country, it is in Africa. Okay, our country having the Asian continent. Okay, yes, this is the Democratic Republic of Congo. So west side what have children? Republic of Congo have the west side, Republic of Congo. The north side, Central African Republic and South Sudan. Then South Sudan. The Central African Republic and South Sudan. The west, this both have the north side, and this one have the Republic of Congo. It is the west side. And next, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Tanzania are the east side. These three countries have in the east side. And next, Zambia, Angola. These two countries, it's located in south side of DRC. South side of DRC. West side what have children? Republic of Congo. South side what have children? Central African Republic and South Sudan. So east side what have children? Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Tanzania. Okay, these four have children. South side Zambia, Angola. These are the nearest countries to the DRC. Nearest countries to the DRC. It is a small border have that Atlantic Ocean. The small border have that one is Atlantic Ocean for this Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay, children, are you understand, ma? So west side what have Republic of Congo. North side what have Central African Republic, South Sudan, and east side what have Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Tanzania. These four countries. And the south side what have Zambia, Angola. This is about just map of the Democratic Republic of Congo. This is the Congo Basin. Okay, the river of Congo Basin. Okay, yes. Some fact. DRC is surrounded by 9 countries. Yes, before only I will show it. No, children. DRC is surrounded by 9 countries. The Democratic Republic of Congo became independent in 1960 from the rule of Belgium. So, like that, our country also ruled by the Britishers. No, children, ruled by the Britishers. So like that, this country also ruled by the Belgium. So this one get that independent in 1960. So this country get the independent in 1960. At that time, it was called Belgian Congo. So that when that Belgian people was ruled by there, and that time that country was called Belgian Congo. The name was changed Zaire. So this name was changed Zaire in 1971. In 1971. So this country name, Belgian Congo, it's changed to Zaire. But in 1997, the name was again changed. The name was again changed as the Democratic Republic of Congo. Democratic Republic of Congo, which is present name. This one is the present name. The Democratic Republic of Congo is the present name. So Zaire was explored by Henry Morton Santley in 1870. Zaire was explored by Henry Morton Santley in 1870. So once again here children, DRC, it is surrounded by the Democratic Republic of countries is surrounded by the 9 countries. The Democratic Republic of Congo became independent in the 1960 from the rule of Belgium. So at that time it was called Belgian Congo. The name was changed into Zaire in 1971. At present name what children? The Democratic Republic of Congo is the present name. Okay. Are you understand Nana? Okay. Remaining lesson will continue tomorrow. Please children again and again listen the lesson. Okay Nama? Okay. Thank you.